Hi guys, so I'm at the Dollar Tree. I just got out of the shower. Obviously my hair is not even done. I look aggressive. But I wanted to go in there and show you my must-haves from the Dollar Tree. There's a few staple things that I always get from the Dollar Tree. And so I was going to show you guys those today. And honestly, how do people film in their car and not feel like insane? I just feel like every single person in this parking lot is staring at me right now, and it is, I don't know if me car filming is going to be a thing, but we'll see. So let's go into the Dollar Tree and see what we can find. So first, the dollar store glassware is the best. Anytime I get wine glasses, mugs, anything, I come to the dollar store. Specifically their mugs, they always have great white plain mugs, great for vinyl. They're a good size. They're my number one staple. Another staple in the glassware section is always the stemless wine glasses. You guys already know these are my all-time favorite thing to make. And we just try as hard as possible not to make eye contact with anything in the candy aisle. Okay, and I did not know this, but another great thing at the Dollar Tree that my good crafter and crime friend Alex told me, taught me, brought to my attention, that you can get cheap AF poster board and core board at the Dollar Tree. So if you have kids, this is awesome. So the Dollar Tree also has a lot of really great inexpensive art supplies. These wooden dowels are actually what I came for today. They are awesome for party props or photo booth props, and that is exactly what I came for. So the Dollar Tree also has a ton of floral supplies. I didn't get any today, but they have a ton of vases, like floral wire, faux flowers, these wreath things. They have a huge selection. And this is the spray, you guys, that I use to clean and re-sticky my mats. I have a video on this, and I get it at the Dollar Tree. And the last thing I want to show you guys is the Dollar Tree's. This is like their seasonal selection of stuff. So this is obviously Christmas right now, but during the fall they have fall themed stuff. The summer they have summer themed things. Anything seasonal, the Dollar Tree will have it, and they have a great selection of things that you can DIY, things that you can add to your crafts, tons of stuff for kids. They have the best seasonal selection. I want to give their stockings one more try. And the last thing I'll show you in their seasonal section is these plastic plates. They have tons of designs, and also they have tons of like great seasonal storage food containers too. Alright guys, that is it for my Dollar Tree staples. I hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, happy crafting. See you next time.